So I don't have a lot of money, but here's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
For every person that stands up and dances, I'll donate $5 more to the cause.
Hey!
And so,
You got one already too?
so I want you to count them, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go.